everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the English Learning Podcast. I am your host, Jason, and as always, I am very happy and excited to spend some time with you today. If you are learning English and you want to improve your speaking skills step by step in a simple and easy way, then today's episode is perfect for you.
And I'm Julia. Welcome, everybody. We are so happy that you joined us today because we are going to talk about something that can completely change your English journey, daily English speaking practice for beginners.
Yes, Julia. Many English learners study grammar for months or even years. They read books, they watch videos, and they learn many English words. But when they try to speak English, they suddenly feel nervous, shy, or confused.
That is very true, Jason. A lot of beginners think they need perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation, or a very large vocabulary before they start speaking English. But honestly, that is not true at all.
Exactly. The real secret to speaking English confidently is simple practice speaking every single day. Even if your English is not perfect, small daily practice can create very big improvement over time.
So in today's episode, we are going to share easy daily speaking practice methods, beginner-friendly tips, simple routines, and real-life conversation examples that will help you speak English more naturally and more confidently every day.
So, wherever you are right now, maybe at home, maybe walking outside, maybe traveling, or maybe relaxing with a cup of tea, get ready to practice English with us.
Take a deep breath, relax, and remember, making mistakes is completely normal. Every great English speaker was once a beginner too.
Absolutely. So let's begin today's episode on daily English speaking practice for beginners. All right, Julia, before we talk about how beginners can practice speaking English every day, I think we first need to talk about one very important thing: why so many English learners struggle to speak English daily.
Yes, Jason, this is a very common problem. In fact, thousands of English learners around the world have the same struggle. They want to speak English fluently, they dream about speaking confidently, but they do not practice speaking every day.
Exactly. And one of the biggest reasons is fear. Many beginners are afraid of making mistakes. They worry that their grammar is wrong, their pronunciation is not clear, or people may laugh at them.
That fear stops so many learners from improving. Some learners even know many English words in their minds, but when it is time to speak, they suddenly become silent because they start overthinking every sentence.
Yes, they think too much before speaking. Instead of speaking naturally, they try to create the perfect sentence in their heads first. And because of that, they lose confidence very quickly.
Another big problem is that many learners believe they need a speaking partner all the time. They think, I cannot practice English because I have nobody to speak with. But the truth is, you can practice English even alone.
That is such an important point, Julia. You do not always need a classroom or a native speaker. You can practice English by talking to yourself, describing your daily activities, repeating English audio, or even speaking in front of a mirror.
Absolutely. But sadly, many beginners wait for the perfect time to start speaking English. They say things like, "First I will finish grammar," or "First I will learn more vocabulary." And because of that, they keep waiting and waiting.
And here is the truth. If you wait for perfect English before you start speaking, you may never start at all. Speaking English is a skill, and like every skill, it improves only through regular practice.
Another common problem is translating everything from the native language into English. Beginners often try to translate every single word in their minds, and this makes speaking very slow and stressful.
Yes, and sometimes learners compare themselves to advanced English speakers on YouTube or social media. They think, my English is terrible, and they lose motivation. But they forget that every fluent speaker was once a beginner too.
Exactly. Nobody becomes fluent in one day. Fluency is built slowly through daily habits, daily mistakes, and daily practice.
So if you are listening to us right now and you feel nervous about speaking English, please remember this. You are not alone. These struggles are normal, and every small step you take today will help you become more confident tomorrow.
And the good news is that in the next part of this episode, we are going to show you why daily English speaking practice is one of the most powerful ways to improve your English fast.
Now let's talk about something very important. Julia, why daily English speaking practice is so powerful for beginners.
Yes, Jason. Honestly, daily practice can completely change the way a person learns English. Even practicing for just 10 or 15 minutes every day can make a huge difference over time.
Exactly. Many people think they need to study for 5 or 6 hours in one day to improve their English. But that is not true. Small daily practice is much more effective than practicing once a week for a long time.
That's because your brain learns better through repetition. When you speak English every day, your mind slowly becomes comfortable with English words, English sounds, and English sentence patterns.
And little by little, speaking English starts to feel more natural. You stop translating every word in your head, and you begin thinking directly in English.
Daily speaking practice also builds confidence. At first, beginners may feel shy or nervous, but when they practice every day, they become more relaxed and comfortable while speaking.
Yes, and another amazing thing is that daily speaking practice improves pronunciation and fluency naturally. The more you speak, the easier and smoother your English becomes.
Exactly. It is just like exercising your body. If you exercise a little every day, your body becomes stronger. In the same way, if you speak English every day, your speaking skills become stronger too.
So remember this, everyone. You do not need perfect English to start speaking. You only need consistency, courage, and daily practice.
Absolutely. And now, let's move to the most exciting part of today's episode, a simple step-by-step daily English speaking practice routine for beginners.
All right, everyone. Now it is time for the most important part of today's episode, a simple step-by-step daily English speaking practice routine for beginners. If you follow these steps every day, even for a short time, you will slowly become more confident and more fluent in English.
Yes, and the best thing about this routine is that it is simple, practical, and beginner-friendly. You do not need expensive courses and you do not need perfect English. You only need consistency and practice.
So let's start with step number 1. Speak simple English sentences every day.
This is very important for beginners. Do not try to speak difficult English at the beginning. Start with easy sentences about your daily life.
For example, you can say, I am drinking tea. I am feeling happy today. I want to improve my English. Today the weather is very hot. These simple sentences help your brain become comfortable with speaking English.
Exactly. And step number 2 is talk about your daily activities in English.
Yes, this is one of the easiest and most powerful speaking exercises. You can describe everything you are doing during the day.
For example, now I am eating breakfast. I am going to the market. I am studying English. I am cleaning my room. This daily practice helps you think naturally in English.
Now let's move to step number 3, practice speaking in front of a mirror.
A lot of people feel shy when speaking English, but mirror practice can really help. When you speak in front of a mirror, you become more confident, and you can also improve your facial expressions and pronunciation.
That's right. Even speaking alone for 5 minutes in front of a mirror every day can build strong confidence over time.
Step number 4 is very useful too. Repeat English audio.
Yes. Listen to short English podcasts, YouTube videos, or conversations, and then repeat the sentences out loud. Try to copy the pronunciation, the speed, and the speaking style.
This method improves listening and speaking at the same time. It also helps you sound more natural when you speak English.
And finally, step number 5, record your voice.
Many beginners avoid this step, but it is extremely helpful. When you record your voice, you can hear your pronunciation mistakes and notice your progress.
Exactly. At first, you may feel uncomfortable listening to your own voice, but over time, you will become more confident and improve faster.
So remember everyone, you do not need to practice for many hours every day. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily speaking practice can create amazing improvement if you stay consistent.
Absolutely. Small daily actions create big long-term results in English learning. All right, everyone. Now it is time for some real-life English conversation practice. This part is very important because listening to real conversations can help you understand how English is used naturally in daily life.
Yes, and while listening, try to repeat the sentences after us. Do not worry about speaking perfectly. Just focus on speaking clearly and confidently.
Okay, Julia, let's begin. Hi, Julia. How are you today?
Hi, Jason. I am doing great today. I feel happy because I practiced my English this morning. How about you?
That's wonderful. I am doing well, too. What kind of English practice did you do today?
I listened to an English podcast for 15 minutes, and then I practiced speaking in front of a mirror.
Wow, that's a very good habit. Did you learn any new English sentences today?
Yes, I learned some simple daily sentences like, I am trying my best, and practice makes progress.
Those are excellent sentences for beginners. Do you practice English every day?
I try to practice every single day, even if it is only for 10 minutes. Small practice every day helps me stay motivated.
That is absolutely true. Consistency is more important than practicing for many hours only one day a week.
Exactly. And sometimes I also talk to myself in English while doing daily activities at home.
That is a fantastic idea. Talking to yourself in English can really improve your confidence and fluency.
Yes, and little by little, I feel more comfortable speaking English without fear.
That is amazing, Julia. And to everyone listening right now, remember that confidence grows slowly through practice. The more you speak, the easier English becomes.
Absolutely. So keep practicing with us every day and never be afraid of making mistakes.
Because mistakes are not failures, they are part of learning and growing. Now let's talk about some common mistakes beginners make during English speaking practice. And honestly, Julia, almost every English learner makes these mistakes at the beginning.
That's very true, Jason. But the good news is that once learners understand these mistakes, they can improve much faster and practice more effectively.
One of the biggest mistakes is trying to speak perfect English all the time. Many beginners become too worried about grammar and pronunciation, so they stop speaking completely.
Yes, but remember everyone, you do not need perfect English to communicate. Fluency grows slowly through practice and mistakes.
Another common mistake is speaking only once in a while. Some learners practice English one day and then stop for many days. This breaks consistency and slows improvement.
Exactly. Even small daily practice is much better than long practice only one time a week.
Some beginners also try to memorize difficult sentences without understanding them. Because of this, they sound unnatural and quickly forget what they learned.
That's why it is better to learn simple and useful daily English sentences that you can actually use in real conversations.
And another very common mistake is comparing yourself to advanced English speakers. When beginners see fluent speakers online, they sometimes feel discouraged.
But please remember, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner too. Improvement takes time, patience, and regular practice.
So do not fear mistakes. Do not compare yourself to others, and most importantly, never stop practicing.
Exactly. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.
Before we finish today's episode, we want to give you a little motivation and confidence boost for your English learning journey.
Yes, and the first thing we want you to remember is this: do not be too hard on yourself. Learning English takes time, practice, patience, and consistency.
Absolutely. Many beginners feel disappointed because they cannot speak fluently very quickly. But fluency is not something that happens overnight. Every small step matters.
Even if you only learn one new sentence today, that is still progress. Even if you practice speaking for only 10 minutes, that is still improvement.
And please, do not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are a normal and important part of learning English. In fact, every mistake teaches you something new.
Exactly. The people who become fluent are not the people who never make mistakes. They are the people who never stop practicing.
So keep speaking English every day. Keep believing in yourself. And never give up when things feel difficult.
Because one day, you will look back and realize how much your English has improved through your small daily efforts.
And we truly believe that you can become a confident English speaker if you continue practicing step by step.
Absolutely. Your English journey is possible, and your future self will thank you for not quitting today.
All right, everyone, let's quickly review what we learned in today's episode about daily English speaking practice for beginners.
Today we talked about why many beginners struggle to speak English daily and how fear, overthinking, and lack of confidence often stop learners from practicing regularly.
We also learned that daily speaking practice is one of the most powerful ways to improve fluency, pronunciation, confidence, and natural communication skills.
And remember, you do not need perfect English to start speaking. You can begin with simple sentences, short daily conversations, mirror practice, and small speaking exercises every day.
Exactly. The most important thing is consistency. Even 10 or 15 minutes of speaking practice every day can create big improvement over time.
So please do not wait until your English becomes perfect. Start speaking with the English you already know today.
Make mistakes, learn from them, stay patient, and continue practicing step by step.
Because every small effort you make today is helping you become a more confident English speaker tomorrow.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of the English Learning Podcast. We really hope this episode helps you start practicing English speaking every single day with more confidence and motivation.
Yes, and remember, the best way to improve your English is to keep speaking, keep practicing, and never give up on yourself.
If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends and other English learners who want to improve their speaking skills.
And tell us in the comments, how do you practice speaking English every day? We would love to hear your ideas and experiences.
Also, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and explore more episodes from our playlist, English Learning Podcast.
Thank you once again for spending your time with us today.
Take care, everyone. Keep practicing English daily.
And we will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.